Hey everybody, and welcome back to Tech Talk. I'm your host Tobiah, and today we're going to be doing a initial review, an unboxing of an Alienware PC. This is the 15R4. I just got it delivered to my door, and it kind of just comes in this box like this, and there's not much wrapping to it. And this is the unit. So I'm going to, well, I can't pause the video. So I'm going to take this out. So bear with me, folks. It's my first Alienware PC. So let's see what it says here. 1996, we set out to be the most innovative and high-performance computers for ourselves and our fellow gamers. Since then, Alienware's products have won hundreds of awards around the world and are regarded as the absolute best personal computers ever made. Our team has spent countless hours talking to customers, technology partners, and game developers to design, engineer, and reliably manufacture this amazing piece of technology you are about to welcome into your life. Your appreciation of premium performance and innovative design is exactly what distinguishes an Alienware user from everyone else. Oh, now I'm special. Okay. You now belong to a select and proud community in the relentless pursuit of the finest technology the world has to offer. Your passion for excellence is what drives and inspires us to continue delivering our promise every day. Thank you for joining us. Well, that's quite a lot. I don't know if I necessarily agree with that. But, you know, I guess I'm special because I own an Alienware. So there's this little packet here. And I don't see, I guess, lift this out. Okay, that doesn't want to lift out. How do I get... Alright guys, I'm going to stop this video because I don't have a pause button. And get everything out, laid out in front of me, and then we'll go from there. All right.